Hundreds of healthcare workers marched the streets of Toronto just a few hundred meters away from the convoy demonstrators at Queen's Park. Here, demonstrators were holding signs and making their presence known.
We've all seen those images coming out of Ottawa where there's complete gridlock. We were extremely worried that there'd be an issue with accessing healthcare for our patients.
Dr. Maleeha Sheikh is one of many who wanted to send a loud message to all Torontonians that healthcare should never be compromised.
There were calls for healthcare workers to actually ensure that they were not recognizable on their way to work, and I think many of us found that really disturbing. So we wanted to come out and let people know that, one, we were going to stand up for the rights of our patients to access healthcare, and that two, as healthcare workers, we wouldn't be intimidated.
It wasn't just healthcare workers in attendance today. Nurse practitioner Vanessa Wright says it was wonderful to see people of all ages at the protest, from children to seniors to people with disabilities, showing their solidarity.
What really struck me about today was the huge outcry and support from civilians. You know, Canadian Medicare is a pillar of pride in Canada, and we recognize that healthcare is a human right, and to make it accessible for all, we all benefit. We've done that well before the pandemic, we're doing it during the pandemic, and we have to do it after the pandemic.
While there were concerns it could get ugly, that wasn't the case today.
We have gone to great lengths to keep distance from the other protests that's going on, and to the best of my knowledge, we were able to have a peaceful protest, which was our intent, and things went just as well as we wanted.
Dr. Sheikh has this message for those protesting nearby.
To protest, we really do. I think everyone has a right to protest. We just are asking them not to interfere with healthcare, to ensure that people have access to transportation and the ability to access their clinics.
Toronto police reported one instance of an ambulance being slowed in protest traffic at Bloor Street and Avenue Road. Police have also closed a portion of University Avenue and surrounding streets this weekend to protect Hospital Row. Maleeha Sheikh, City News.